Hi, I'm Ejisu from Unless. Let's check out how you can show your local expertise on content pages with the help of Unless. When do you need this? In general, companies that operate on a global level can benefit greatly from location-based personalization. Before you jump in though, it's a good idea to take a look at your analytics to see where most of your traffic, or high-value traffic, is coming from. That's where we begin. Once you know which locations are of interest to you, whether that's the cities in which you have offices or the countries that you get the most website traffic from, you can build your audiences in Unless. Properties like the country or region code, trade region, city, zip code, and the visitor's IP address and currency are all available to you for this purpose. Then it's time to see what can be optimized on your website. Start with localized headlines and subheads. Use the headline to highlight your local expertise. For example, if your law firm has a great reputation in Amsterdam and London, and you have a good amount of visitors coming from those cities, you can personalize your headlines and subheads with the city and/or country. Your law partner in Amsterdam, specialized in Dutch family and business law. Your law partner in London, specialized in UK family and business law. Make sure you add in some local social proof. Using the country or city name is simple enough, but you can get a lot fancier than that. One of our favorite use cases is localized social proof, essentially showing logos and testimonials of companies based in the visitor's country or region. Is your visitor a legal representative from a company based in Amsterdam? Show them logos of Dutch companies in your customer base. Are they visiting from London instead? Display social proof from the UK. You can also personalize the CTA by location. Think of meet us in London or meet us in Amsterdam if your company has offices in the visitor's city. Now, let's wrap this up with an example. You are now looking at the generic homepage of a law firm that has offices throughout Europe. They specialize in trade law and most of their business comes from Scandinavia and the Benelux. Looking at the Nordics example, you will see that the headline has been changed to match the visitor's region, and in the subhead, the city is further specified. They also add a subtle visual element by changing the background photo to match the visitor's city. Similar changes have been added to the Benelux example too, where there's a reference to Belgian and Dutch law and a photo of Amsterdam is presented to the visitor. That's it for this week's video. Until next time.